CruzTOOLS. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Ian here with CruzTOOLS, and this is the RoadTech kit, which has bike-specific tools for Harley Davidsons. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The RoadTech kits are the top-of-the-line kit that CruzTOOLS sells that includes all the bells and whistles that you might need to work on your bike on the side of the road. This RoadTech kit includes electrical tape, a spark plug gap tool, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet tool with a short extension and 4 sockets, a small tube of Loctite, a 5/8-inch spark plug wrench, 6-in-1 screwdriver nut driver tool, star drive and Allen drive tools, zip ties, baling wire, a tire pressure gauge, locking pliers, an adjustable wrench, and a selection of combination wrenches in SAE sizes as well as 10mm. This RoadTech toolkit brings you professional quality tools at consumer-friendly prices. All of these tools are covered with our lifetime guarantee and no questions asked warranty. With CruzTOOLS, you can fix it.
CruzTOOLS. You can fix it.